Questions remain after Baysate Health admits to a phishing scam that may have compromised the personal information of hospital patients in the Pioneer Valley. Good evening, I'm Jeff Kramer.
And I'm Beth Ward. Tonight, Western Mass News looks into what phishing is and how you can spot a hacker. Western Mass News reporter Amanda Keene is live in the studio with more on that. Amanda?
Well, Beth and Jeff, we're talking about phishing with a PH, not phishing like you do on a summer afternoon. This type of phishing is when a hacker sends you an email baiting you to put in your private information, but there are ways to spot the dangerous lure. On Monday, Baysate Health announced that 9 of their employees fell victim to a phishing email scam. They clicked on links and entered their passwords, giving hackers free access to personal information, including patient records and social security numbers. It's a mistake that can happen to anyone and has devastating consequences, but there are things to look out for.
First red flags, if they're asking you for your password, especially to reply with your password, that's fake. That's red flag everywhere.
It's not just hospital employees that get emails like this. Anyone can get a phishing email sent to their work or personal accounts. No matter what business you're in, security can be compromised.
Here at the university, they could go in and get my students' grades and get potentially even personal information on me or my students, and that would be horrible. At a hospital, that could be patient information. At a bank, that could be your credit rating, your social security number, access to your accounts.
Professor O'Neill tells Western Mass News that these emails can look legitimate, but really making sure that they have correct intentions before inputting personal passwords is always best practice.
Check where the link is taking you. Make sure that an email that claims to be internal and from your employer is actually internal and from your employer.
Now, here at Western Mass News, we actually have yearly training to spot phishing emails. Professor O'Neill says that's great, and he encourages any employer to do the same. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Amanda Keene, Western Mass News.